In this question, regular polygons A and B have number of sides in the ratio 1:2 and interior angles are in the ratio 3:4. Then the number of sides of B equals what is the question. So I'm going to take the number of sides of polygon A and B. Since the ratio is given as 1:2, I'm going to take the number of sides as A for polygon A and 2A for polygon B. And value of each interior angle of any polygon can be calculated using the formula n minus 2 into 180 degree divided by n, where n is nothing but the number of sides. So interior angle of polygon A is going to be a minus 2 into 180 degree divided by a, and for polygon B it will be 2a minus 2 into 180 degree divided by number of sides, which is 2a, and the ratio between these two values is given in the question as 3:4. That means a minus 2 into 180 by a when divided by 2a minus 2 into 180 divided by a 2a should be equal to a 3/4. So simplifying this, I get a minus 2 divided by 2 times of a minus 1 by 2 to be equal to a 3/4. So which is equal to a minus 2 by a minus 1 will be equal to a 3/4, which gives 4a minus a 8 to be equal to 3a minus 3. So 4a minus 3a equal to 8 minus 3. So that makes the value of a to be 5, and the number of sides of polygon B is given as 2a. So 2 into 5, which is equal to 10, is the answer for this question.